Hello and welcome to our channel. We are Locked In with the Wilsons. Welcome if you're new to our channel, and if you're not, welcome back. Cammie, you want to go ahead and give them some housekeeping rules before we get started?
Sure. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell so you get a notification every time that we post a new video.
All right, thank you. All right, so let's get started. Today we are doing an unboxing of a package that we received. We ordered it on February the 1st, and we received it in the mail about mid-February. We were ordering this package for Black History Month and also for Women's History Month. We had some family emergencies to come up, so we're a little late getting this video to you, but we still wanted to bring it and present it because, as with everything in our lives, every day is Black History Month or Black History. So we still want to present this information to you and show you what we have in this box, and maybe it'll inspire you to maybe make this purchase or support in any way that you can. Local Black businesses. Okay, let's see what we have. And this was a purchase that was a little bit special for us because it was something that my daughter and I wanted to share together. And so we made this purchase. Like I said, we saw something on February the 1st, and it was premiering for Black History Month. And we thought it would be nice to share this together. And here it is. I'm going to show you the packaging, and then we'll open it and tell you what's inside once we get into it. This one is mine.
Which one is it?
I'll show you in a minute. Let's move this box to the side, and this one is Cammie's. Now, as you can see, these are shoe boxes, and you can see the Nike swoosh sign on the front. So this is the first Black female collaboration with Nike to produce a style for the Air Force One. And we're going to open it and show you what they look like, and then give you the information about who the collaboration was with and why this is so special. Because number one, I already said it, it's the first Black female to design the
Air Force One.
Yeah, the Air Force One. So let's get into it and see. And her name is, this is the packaging. This is what it looks like. This is a very pretty box. I like it. You see the Premium Goods logo. That is the name of her store in Houston, Texas. And her name is Jennifer Ford. She is the first Black female to design this Nike Air Force One. And as you know, the Air Force One has been around since
1982.
Yes. So here we are today in 2023, just having the first design on the Air Force One by a Black female. I think that's huge. And we were actually getting ready for school and work the morning that it came out on February 1st, and watching the CBS morning show, and we saw it. And I called my daughter in because she's a sneakerhead. I'm not really a sneakerhead, but I know how much she likes shoes. So I tried to get into something and share something with her. And I thought that this was perfect. And I actually liked the design of the shoe. So I showed it to her when we saw it on the TV and asked her, should we order it? And she was all for it. And so we ordered them. And I ordered one in her size. There are actually two styles. This is the two colors. Okay.
Colorways.
Ah, this is nice. So this is the one I ordered for myself. It is cream and it comes with this turquoise, an extra set of shoestrings.
Yeah. And
Okay.
then 2 extra sets of shoelaces.
Thank you.
1 turquoise and 1 white. And then the entire top part of the shoe is like a beige color. And then
Cream, I think it's cream. They call it cream.
okay.
Go ahead.
And then the swoosh has beads on it.
Yeah.
And red, dark blue, the similar to the turquoise color, and black.
That's
And
it.
then
I like it.
the sole is just white,
It's got the little
and then the
gold
tongue
top.
is also beige.
And it actually, on the tongue, this is what makes this one unique also, is that the name of her shoe store, Premium Goods, is on the tongue. And the year that she opened her store was 2004. It's also on the inside of the tongue when she established her store, Premium Goods. So it makes it unique to
and
her.
Also, something that's not on other Air Force Ones, it has a quilted design right there, and then 2 stars.
This camera. Oh, now see, I wouldn't
Quilted
know
design
that.
and 2 stars.
These are details that a sneakerhead
Oh my
knows that
gosh.
I wouldn't
And
know.
instead of the normal silver accent right there, it has a gold one with, I believe, the Premium Goods logo on it.
Cool.
And then
And this particular one,
red
what is it
Nike
called?
sign on the bottom.
So the box themselves, they're all labeled with her store. And the shoe, this one is called
That's the Bella.
this is the Bella. So the name of the shoes, they're named after her daughter and her niece. And the Bella is, are you sure this is the Bella?
Yes,
Okay, this is the Bella, or the
that's the Bella.
Sophia.
That's the Bella. That's the Bella.
Okay, this is the Bella. So the Bella represents her niece, and she also, made on the show, she made it known that the reason that she chose the colors is because the Bella represents her niece, which represents her, she said her beauty and
Cultural
her,
background.
her beauty and
yeah.
her purity and her beauty,
Yeah.
her innocence and her beauty for her niece. So that is the Bella. And the next one.
There's the Sophia. It has the same box, and then it still has her signature right there.
Mm-hmm.
And then so, what's this part
Hold it
called?
up and let them see
Oh, yeah.
the color and the
What's this
design.
part called? Anyway,
Yeah.
it has
I would know.
black parts on it, and then the toe box is like, how do you describe that color? It's not
this
beige. but
This is a tan. It's like a It's
tan.
a tan. It's tan.
Tan. And then so is this part, and it also has the quilted design and the 2 stars. But the sole on this one, it's like a off-white color, and then
They're different color soles. Okay.
mhm.
I didn't
And
know
then it also has the beaded designs on the swoosh, but it's brown, clear, and black.
that. Mm-hmm.
And then it has 2 extra pairs of laces, just like the other ones, but these ones are black or white. And then the normal laces are like braided laces with gold accents on the ends.
Oh, that's right. They got three pair of laces. I didn't.
And then
Notice
it
that.
also has the gold accent instead of the normal silver with the Premium Goods logo. And then it also has the Nike check in red on the bottom.
Mm.
And then the tongue is white with Premium Goods on the tongue. And then it has the year that it was established. It says established 2004. And then on the inside, it has the Premium Goods logo, and then it says Air Force One.
Now this particular one, this one represents her daughter, and she said that she's, specifically said that it represents her daughter's culture and heritage. And so it is, and she specifically said it is tan and black to represent her daughter's culture and heritage. So that's why this one is the color. And this one is actually, she said it's cream, and cream to represent her niece's innocence and purity, or innocence and beauty. Yeah. So that these are our selections that we chose. And like I said, we ordered these on February the 1st as soon as they dropped. And we got them, and we, I felt like it was just really relevant to February and March. One for Black History Month and one for Women's History Month. And she did both. She made history, Black history and women's history all in one. And I really like them. I like the colors. I like the design. And like I said, for someone like me that's not a sneakerhead, that, if I see something I like it, I just like it. I like these. What's your thoughts, Camille?
I do like them. They're really nice, and they're like really detailed compared to normal Air Force Ones, which are usually just one solid color with no accents other than the accent on the end of the shoelaces, which is usually just silver and says Air Force One.
Yeah, they're very detailed, and like I said, when you look at it online, you don't really see this detail about the beading. So that was a total surprise to me when I opened it. Well, when I looked at it online, I saw the colors, but I didn't see that it was actually beading. So that was a very nice surprise to open the box and see that it's actually beading and not just colors painted in. I thought it was painting when I saw it online, but to see the beads and the detail in the beads, I really like it. So I think we're pleased with our purchase. What do you think?
Yeah.
All right. So if you are looking for these, like I said, they were released on February the 1st. I'm not sure if you can find them online still or not, but her shoe is located in Houston. Her shoe store is in Houston, Texas, and it is called Premium Goods. So you may be able to go to her website and order them directly from her store. If we have a link, we'll try to leave it below in the description. What were you going to say?
I know a couple of places that sell them though. Like, I believe Go, StockX, and maybe Flight Club, which are online shoe stores where you can buy and resell different shoes.
Okay. And so that means you may be paying a premium price for them now.
Yeah.
But hey, you can always try Nike, or like I said, try her store.
Oh yeah, Nike too.
Yeah, but I would, since everything is labeled Premium Goods, I would definitely try her store. So thank you for joining us. Thank you for tuning in and sharing in our little unboxing. We hope that you would subscribe to our channel. Give us a comment, give us a thumbs up, and stay around, and we'll hope to get more videos out to you soon. Thank you, and have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.